Okay.
Operation Sierra 20510, wind 1603, visibility 10, view clouds 2,400, ceiling 3,700 broken, 6,000 overcast, 12.7, altimeter 2996, ILS approaching Nuys and departing runways 16. Advise on initial contact, you have information Sierra.
Alright, we got Sierra. Okay, now I'm going to waiting for a little bit of heat to develop in the thing. I'm going to take us off, get us level, and then I'm going to give you the controls. We're going to cross over the runways and head out to the west.
Okay.
All right, we'll get past the airport a little bit, and we're going to do some turns and some stuff like that. And then we'll turn around and come back in.
Altimeter 2996.
By bringing this up here, as my helicopter gets light on the skids, okay, I need to start making adjustments for whatever movement the thing's got going on. So I adjust my controls to bring me straight up in the air. And smile for Jay. Alright, we're cleared to go from over here. So we're going to go out like this. That's the guy he was telling us about.
Gotcha.
So we turn, we're going to take off right down here. So we can just get straight down on this little yellow line.
East of the airport, 1,300.
And we start rocking it forward. Getting some airspeed.
East of the transit crew to altimeter 2996. Everybody just going to stay on the east side? No, I want to transition to the west side. 2996, please go. We stand wrong, transition approved, 12 feet bar.
And we got to climb up to 1,300 before we can cross the runways. So we got another couple of 100 feet.
Okay.
To you?
Tango now current, wind variable 4,
grab hold of it.
10, rain.
Alright.
Ceiling 2,600 overcast, 2,600
A little bit of forward.
4,800 overcast.
There you go.
2996.
And grab hold of that collective, yeah. There you go. Put your feet on the pedals. There you go. Alright, a little bit of forward pressure. There you go. We're going to follow that road right there.
Okay.
Alright, now turn a little bit to the right. Straighten us out. Loosen up your grip a little bit. You're squeezing real tight.
Okay.
Alright. And Van Nuys helicopter for 2 Sierra Hotel. We're going to turn off to the right in a slow 260 to come on back in on Satakoy.
Helicopter 2 Sierra Hotel, crew requested before your reverse course.
We'll report the reverse of course, 2 Sierra Hotel. Alright, so we're going to turn out that way. Alright, so roll it to the right a little bit. There you go.
Hey, what's that Alpha, Roger?
Just like that, perfect. Keep it turning.
Hey, what's that Alpha? You were able to make the 180 on the taxiway there?
And then straight out that way.
Alpha, Roger, taxiway, let's be Bravo.
Good job. You got to get this right up like that. There you go.
Gotcha. Where's the ball? The
what? The ball? Well, this one doesn't have one. It's got a couple of strings, but they're soaking wet. So, you're doing a good job keeping it straight.
Okay.
What's that Alpha? X-Bay taxi to north of
We've been slowly climbing though, so a little bit more forward pressure. There you go. Not quite that much.
Okay.
Just about like that. There you go.
Golf and ground up the left-hand side of the Learjet, southbound, behind Learjet.
We're going to follow these railroad tracks up a little bit.
Okay.
I got 2 Sierra Hotel, C Park.
Yeah, 2 Sierra Hotel, we park over at Bryles.
I got 2 Sierra Hotel, Roger. Please stand for exchange approved.
See those blue garbage trucks?
Yeah.
We're going to turn left there.
Okay.
Try loosening up that grip a little bit. When I fly, I kind of hold it with 2 fingers.
Oh.
It takes a bit to get used to, but
Right.
there you go. No, nice. Nice. Follow that road back. What's that? Yeah, right this one right here. No, right down that one. Okay.
Did I roll too far?
No, that was good.
Okay.
These things can really roll.
Okay.
You know, when you first learn it though, you try to make them easier, but they can turn. I mean, they can really turn. Alrighty.
Nice view.
Beautiful. Alright, let's turn back in now.
To the left right now?
Yeah, let's go down to the next road.
Okay.
Yeah, Van Nuys Helicopters 4820 Hotel. We're back in boy on the Satakoy for northeast corner.
Helicopter 20 Hotel, roger, Port Balboa.
Port Balboa 20 Hotel. Alright, we're going to turn left along this road. Very good. Now, let's pick it up just a little bit, so we're going to bring a little power in. See, because we got some power lines right here. So we're just going to guide it up a little bit. That's perfect. We like to keep about 50 feet when we cross the top of those things.
Oh, I see.
Now, I'm just going to help you out with this a little bit, all right? We're going to do an approach to landing.
Okay.
The first thing we want to do is lower our collective. So we bring that down,
Okay.
right like that. A little bit of right pedal, because we're taking that torque out, so we know we need it.
Okay.
And I'm kind of keeping it level, because I'd like to do this at 60 knots. So I'm allowing the airspeed to bleed off real slowly. I anticipate I want 60 knots, so I'm just doing it and letting it bleed off real slow, no big race to get there. Once we get 60, we lower the nose just a little bit, and that allows us to start descending.
Okay.
We got 1,200 feet.
Right.
1,100 feet. So now we're going to go ahead and turn. This is a base turn. And we just kind of roll it in like that. I'm going to bring a little power in.
Okay.
This is our base. Now I'm going to get this thing slowed up a little bit.
Right. We're at 50 now.
Yeah, 50, 45. And we get it level again, and we turn in. We're going to land on the same place we took off from.
Oh, I see. Looks like we're going right at.
Charger 5, Whiskey Tango, Van Nuys ground. Verify information Tango, running 16 right taxi to the Alpha.
So I've got low power setting.
Okay.
I got slow closure rate.
Whiskey Tango, Roger, just verify
This
running
is what they call a
16
steep
right.
approach.
Okay.
All right, we just got this airspeed going like that, keeping our helicopter nice and level. As we get closer to the ground, we need to start bringing power in.
Okay.
Now we're going to go over to this little spot over here and try a little hover for you.
Okay.
All right. They haven't yelled at me for this yet, so. All right, I'm going to point it into the wind. Find a windsock first. There we go. We're into the wind. No, we're not. This would be into the wind. Just like this.
Okay.
All right. So there you go. We're just going to kind of hover. All right, let's get back over here for a sec.
Okay.
All right, now, there you go. To the left pedal. You can't let it drift around on you like that. It starts moving to the right like that. Go ahead and give it a little bit more left pedal. more left pedal. Get back over here.
Alright.
Try it one more time.
Yeah, sure.
See, they're very maneuverable. It just takes a little while to get used to it.
Yeah. Quite a while.
Alright, let's get stopped. Get level. Alright, it's all you. Alright, let's go park it.
Okay.
Won't take you long to get used to it.
Okay, yeah. But more than 18 minutes.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
7141 Mike Alpha, Van Nuys ground. Taxi to Encore via Alpha.
Are you gonna park it? Or?
I am.
Okay. So.
I know it looks a little spooky, but you're gonna swing around this way here.
Okay.
Gate 30 Van Nuys ground. Turn right on Bravo, turn right on Kilo, hold short over 916 right.
And when we land them, we basically bring them into a spot.
Right.
Just kind of come to a hover. Just like that. Lower the power. So she touches the ground and then take the power out all the way.
All the way down.
Damn, that heat gets hot, huh?
Yeah.
And then we put the frictions back on. Alright, like that.
Okay.
Then we roll that throttle down a little bit.
Figures right, Lima cross for 916 right, taxi to American via, or US Aviators via Alpha.
You did good, man. Won't take you long to learn this at all.